Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today I'm going to show you how to make your own Wi-Fi on your smartphone, or how you can make a wireless or a hotspot on your phone by creating hotspot where your phone will provide the internet to other users. Open setting, you see, like this, or you can choose, you can search setting, this one, then come here into hotspot and tethering. Okay, here we have personal hotspot, and hotspot setting. You see, this is the hotspot. Here it is the name where you can write SSID or the wireless name. Let me suppose that we are going to use Wi-Fi. Okay, then this is password, Etienna at 101, then OK. This is the security of your Wi-Fi. Here to the security of Wi-Fi, you can choose this one, or when you choose none, your Wi-Fi will be free, where you are going to share your data from your phone. Then you can click on, or you can start your personal hotspot. You see, here we have hotspot, this one. This is personal hotspot. Okay, this option will help you to share your data. This data from here will be shared from this hotspot. Thank you for watching this video.